welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, hi, hello. My name is Lauren. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all an apartment clean with me. This is kind of an extreme clean with me because it took me 2 days. Mostly because I was pretty lazy on the first day and just didn't want to finish, and I wanted to relax and have a good evening. But I also just went ahead and finished a bunch of cleaning today, so I decided to combine the both of them to make one big extreme clean for you guys to watch. I really hope that you guys enjoy this video. If you do, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You guys can do that by clicking the little red subscribe button right down below. P.S. guys, I have an entire playlist full of cleaning videos, so if you want to see more and maybe you need a little bit more inspiration, I will leave that video up here in the corner for you guys, down below in the description box, as well as at the end of the video for you. And without further ado, let's jump into the cleaning. We are starting off in my kitchen, of course, just cleaning off our island as usual. You guys know that this is one of our top areas in our home that gets cluttered the most. So of course I had to start here. Then I got the idea to quickly go through our pantry and just rearrange a few things and pull out any empty bags, boxes, or things that we have finished or are expired. I am quickly putting my shoes away just in a tidy little spot, and then it's time to move on to our dishes. Clay normally does help me with all of the chores, so don't worry about that, guys. He just knows that I like to kind of film these videos and do my own thing, so he lets me kind of go at it and clean the whole apartment, but he does help a lot too. Then I'm moving into our living room where I needed so badly to vacuum our couch because if you guys don't know, we have a little black dog. There he is. His name is Charlie, and he sheds little black hairs all over our white cream colored couch. So vacuuming is essential, and I'm just going through and vacuuming all of the cushions and then kind of freshening them up and making sure that they're all nice and straight again. Then it's time to just put all of the cushions back in their spots and the blankets draped over the couch, and everything's back in order. Next thing that I'm grabbing is our vacuum and just running this over the carpet. I don't know why my camera moved up like this, so I'm sorry you guys couldn't really quite see this, but obviously you guys have probably vacuumed before and you know the gist of how it works. But I had to of course vacuum the living room because Charlie gets his toy bits that he chews apart his toys from all over our living room, so this is a big essential. And then I'm just going back over with the vacuum and vacuuming all of our hardwood floor areas just to again get all the dirt up. Moving back into the kitchen, I just went ahead and started working on the counters, putting things back where they belong, and then wiping down all of the surfaces. You guys can shop all of my favorite cleaning products linked down below in the description box. I literally list all my favorite ones out that I use pretty much daily and weekly to keep our home clean. Yeah, we let each other down, 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 down. we're moving on into our bedroom, and we had been washing our sheets and our comforter, so I needed to put our comforter back into the comforter or duvet cover. And I've actually gotten really good at this. This used to be so difficult whenever we first started doing it, but it now works out super easily. So I'm just tossing that in and then making sure the bed is made and putting all the pillows back where they belong to. The OCD part of me is really irked by the fact that the right corner of the bed is not covered with the comforter. Anybody else like that? Moving on to this random little corner in our bedroom, we had just collected a bunch of random clothes that needed to be tucked away, and this basket tray thing does not go here, so I ended up actually moving this into our bathroom so that we could have additional storage there. And of course, I'm just going in with a little bit of spray again and wiping off our bedside table because this can get dusty and covered in Charlie hair as well. So just giving it and the shelf a nice wipe down is essential. Now I'm moving into the closet where I just started putting things back where they belong, since I did kind of have my clothes organized in certain areas. And I'm also collecting any extra hangers and putting them back at the front of the closet for whenever we do laundry next time. Then it's time to put some extra pillows into some pillowcases. These have just been sitting in our closet and I don't know why we haven't put them back in their pillowcases. So I wanted to get those back in their rightful spot and back on our bed so that the pillows and bed now looks a lot more fuller. For my least favorite activity, which is laundry. I'm just taking our dirty basket load here and tossing it into the washer, and then you'll see me in a minute. I unload the dryer from what we had done earlier, and I begin taking that into our bedroom and of course putting all of that away. Also guys, let me know down below in the comments, what is your least favorite part of cleaning your home? Like I said, for me, laundry, and taking out the trash, they are my two least favorite chores to do. And just a random side note, we are still using the KonMari method as far as folding goes for our dresser drawers. I do have an entire video on that, so if you guys want to check it out, I'll link it up in the top right hand corner and at the end of this video and in the description box. And lastly, I am just going in with the vacuum in our bedroom and just giving it a good old vacuum. You can literally see where all of Charlie's toy bits were on the carpet, so this was desperately needed as well. Now we're moving into the last area of the home, which is just our one bedroom bathroom, and I am just giving the toilet bowl, of course, a quick scrub. I shut the shower curtain earlier and just am going to go about straightening up this entire room and putting things back where they belong. Just doing a quick little cleanup, nothing crazy and nothing too deep of a clean here, just kind of like a little touch up to get rid of some dust and dirt.
I'm losing the best of you. I'm drowning. I'm falling. Drowning.
much for watching this video. If you found it helpful or maybe a little bit inspiring or motivating to get your clean on, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You guys can do that by clicking the little red subscribe button right down below. And don't forget, I have an entire playlist full of these types of videos for my apartment and my old apartment. So if you want to see more, again, I will link it at the end of this video and down below in the description box for you guys to go and check out. And without further ado, guys, that brings us to the end of the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye, guys!